Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the watch on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. This protects the case while you work. Next, identify whether your strap uses a quick-release spring bar, removable links, or punched adjustment holes, because that determines your method. Use a spring bar tool or small pin to expose the bar. You want only minimal force to avoid bending metal. Once done, move to the strap end so you can access the excess tail without stressing the clasp or lugs. Now you work the middle steps. If it's a metal bracelet, push pins out in the direction of the arrows and remove the necessary links evenly from both sides to keep the clasp centered. For leather or rubber straps, mark the desired length while clipping the tail a bit longer than final fit, because you can always shave more off. Make small cuts and test fit repeatedly. This prevents cutting too short. Also, keep removed links and pins safe for future adjustments or resale. To finish, reinsert spring bars or link pins carefully until you feel or hear a secure click. Tug gently to confirm stability. If you trimmed leather, edge burnish or apply minimal adhesive to stop fraying. For rubber, briefly heat seal edges if needed. Once assembled, wear the watch for 10 to 15 minutes and check comfort and movement. If something feels wrong, misaligned lug, loose pin, or clasp not centering, stop and reverse changes. Then reevaluate before applying more force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.